In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up in WordPress using Elementor. This feature is a fantastic way to capture your viewers' attention, promote offers, or gather additional information from your site visitors in an engaging and interactive manner. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily set up a pop-up within your WordPress website using the Elementor plugin. First, you'll need to ensure that Elementor Pro is installed and activated on your WordPress site. Elementor Pro is a powerful plugin that provides you with additional features, one of which is the Pop-up Builder. If you haven't already installed Elementor Pro, you can do so by heading over to the official website, downloading the plugin, and then installing it through your WordPress dashboard. Head to the Plugins section, click on Add New, and upload the plugin zip file. Once installed, activate the plugin to access its premium features. Now that you have Elementor Pro set up, let's create your first pop-up. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the Templates section and select Pop-ups. Click on Add New, and a window will appear prompting you to choose a template. Elementor offers a variety of pre-designed pop-up templates, which can save you a considerable amount of time if you're not looking to start from scratch. You can choose any template that resonates with your brand or the purpose of your pop-up, or if you prefer a completely custom design, you can start with a blank canvas. Once you've chosen your template or blank canvas, it's time to head into the Elementor editor. This is where the magic happens. You can customize every aspect of the pop-up, from the colors and fonts to the layout and functionality. The drag and drop interface makes it really intuitive. You'll want to pay attention to the content of your pop-up, ensuring it's concise and engaging. Adding visuals or calls to action can significantly improve user interaction, so be on the lookout for elements that can make your pop-up more effective. After you've designed your pop-up to your satisfaction, it's time to configure the display settings. This step is crucial as it dictates when and where the pop-up will appear. In the editor, click on the Publish button, and a new screen will appear where you can set conditions, triggers, and advanced rules. Conditions allow you to specify which pages the pop-up should appear on. Triggers enable the pop-up to appear based on user interactions, like page loading or scrolling. Advanced rules offer more specific targeting, such as showing the pop-up after a certain number of page views. Finally, make sure to test your pop-up. Preview it to see how it looks and behaves on different devices to ensure everything works perfectly. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and click on Save Close. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, you've added a pop-up to your WordPress site using Elementor. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've found this guide helpful. Be sure to explore other features within Elementor to enhance your website even further.